All welcome to lecture series of higher order differential equation. Today we are going to see some examples on cases. So first example is solve d cube plus 4d multiplied by y is equal to sin 2x plus 2 to the power x. Now here right hand side is present. If right hand side is present means it is a non-homogeneous differential equation. So for non-homogeneous differential equation solution is both CF as well as PI. Now first we are going to find out here CF. So to find out CF, first we write auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation, replace d by m and equate it to 0, or you can directly put the equation in terms of d also. So this is m cube plus 4m, it is equal to 0. Now m is common in both, so take it common, m common, remaining is m square plus 4, it is equal to 0. Now m is equal to 0 and m square plus 4 is equal to 0. So find out roots. M is equal to 0 and m square is equal to minus 4. So if m square is equal to minus 4, m can be written as plus minus square root of minus 4. Now plus minus square root of 4 is 2 and square root of minus 1 is I. So m we get plus minus 2i. Now this is nothing but the imaginary root. So compare this imaginary root with alpha plus minus beta I. What is the value of alpha? Alpha is 0 and beta value is 2. So alpha we get, alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 2. Now here we have three roots. First is m is equal to 0, second is m is equal to plus 2i, and third is m is equal to minus 2i. Now how to write CF? CF can be written as C1. First root is real root. So C1 e to the power 0x plus C2 e to the power alpha x in bracket C2 cos beta x plus C3 sin beta x. Now substituting alpha and beta value here, so it becomes CF is equal to C1 e to the power 0x is 1. So plus e to the power alpha x. Again alpha value is 0, e to the power 0x is 1. C2 cos of beta x, beta value is 2 plus C3 sin of beta x. So sin 2x. This is our CF. Now to find out PI, PI is equal to 1 upon whatever the term in d, which is d cube plus 4d. So d cube plus 4d multiplied by right hand side. Right hand side is sin 2x plus 2 to the power x. Now see here, on right hand side we have two terms, sin 2x and 2 to the power x. So we have to divide this d cube plus 4d in two parts for sin 2x as well as 2 to the power x. So we can write it as 1 upon d cube plus 4d multiplied by sin 2x plus 1 upon d cube plus 4d multiplied by 2 to the power x. Now one thing is a to the power x can be written as a to the power e to the power log of a to the power x, or it can be written as e to the power x multiplied by log a. Now why we are going to write like this? Because we have trigonometric case, exponential case. So this 2 to the power case does not lie in any case unless and until we can convert it into any case. So a to the power x can be written as e to the power log of a to the power x, which is equal to e to the power, logarithmic rule is log of m to the power n is n into log m. So e to the power x into log of a. So we can write this 2 to the power x as 2 to the power x is e to the power x multiplied by log of 2, so that it will get converted into case. Now PI is equal to 1 upon d cube plus 4d multiplied by sin 2x plus 1 upon d cube plus 4d multiplied by e to the power x log 2. A to the power x log 2. So Pi is 1 upon 4, here d cube plus 4d, but we have to use here trigonometric case. What is trigonometric case? Replace d square by minus a square. Now minus of a is a coefficient of x in trigonometric term. So coefficient of x is here 2. So it is minus 2 square, which is equal to minus 4. And what is exponential case? Exponential case is replace d by a. So a is equal to replace d by a. So a is equal to, here a is the coefficient of x in trigonometric term. So it is equal to log of 2. Now replace here by d square in first term. It is d square, d cube can be written as d multiplied by d square. So it is minus 4 plus 4d multiplied by sin 4x, sin 2x, plus replace d by log 2. So it is 1 upon log of 2 whole cube plus 4 multiplied by log 2 multiplied by e to the power x into log of 2. So it is equal to 1 upon minus 4d plus 4d, it get cancelled. So denominator is 0. Denominator 0 means case fail. So we multiply here by x and find out derivative of d cube plus 4d. So what is derivative of d cube plus 4d? Derivative of d cube is 3d square and derivative of 4d is 4 multiplied by sin 2x plus 1 upon, this gets simplified, so we can write it as it is, log of 2 whole cube plus 4 multiplied by log 2 multiplied by e to the power x into log 2. Now this again we replace d square by minus 4. So this become x multiplied by 1 upon 3 multiplied by minus 4 plus 4 multiplied by sin 2x plus second term as it is 1 upon log of 2 whole cube plus 4 multiplied by log of 2 e to the power x log 2. Again it can be written as it is 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power x. It is equal to x divided by minus 12 plus 4. It is minus 8 multiplied by sin 2x plus 1 upon log of 2 whole cube plus 4 multiplied by log 2 multiplied by 2 to the power x. Now this pi gets simplified and it is nothing but minus of x by 8 into sin 2x plus 1 upon log 2 whole cube plus 4 into log of 2 into 2 to the power x. So see, the final solution is dependent variable. Dependent variable is y. So y can be written as y is equal to CF plus PI. CF is C1 plus C2 cos x cos 2x plus C3 sin 2x minus x sin 2x divided by 8 plus 1 upon log 2 whole cube plus 4 multiplied by log of 2 multiplied by 2 to the power x, and this is our final solution y. Thank you.